Cure and prevent cold and cough naturally. Kiwi is a natural immunobooster containing numerous immunoboosting vitamins and minerals, namely vitamin C, which encourage healthy immune functions. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and is perfect to protect you against cough and cold. How to use garlic? Choose 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tomatoes and a lemon to make a delicious antibacterial antiviral drink. You can also combine these ingredients to prepare a tomato and a garlic soup with a little rock salt if you prefer. Treat your cold and cough with turmeric. Haldi has antiviral and antibacterial property that can help beat infection. How to use haldi? The easiest way to use turmeric is as a haldi doodh. To make this drink, take a teaspoon of haldi and add it to a glass of milk. Now boil the mixture and drink it while it is still hot. Add honey to the mixture too. Amla is a strong immunomodulator and protects from onset of many diseases if taken regularly. It ensures the proper functioning of liver and improves blood circulation. Special spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger, black pepper while preparing your tea. These 3 ingredients play an important role in fighting common cold and cough. Cut ginger into juliennes and add salt to it. Chew on these ginger juliennes to fight cold, cough and sore throat. Saute a few garlic cloves in ghee and consume this when warm. It may sound like a bitter concoction, but it can help you fight common cold and cough. Boil the flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey. Consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. Now let's know some prevention tips. Colds and flu spread primarily via droplets released in the air when someone who is ill coughs, sneezes or talks, and via surface contact. So wash your hands. Someone sneezes in his hand, touches keyboard, telephone you pick, jump from that object even an hour later. Phyto means plant, and the natural chemicals in them give vitamins and food supercharged boost. So put away the vitamin pills and eat dark green, red, yellow veggies and fruit. Copper and copper alloy have inherent antimicrobial property that make them capable of reducing spread of infection. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.